And finally, the tastes and lifestyles of the consumer are changing, and cake shop Monjani's is adapting to cater to some of these changes. It now wants to go the health way and even tap older customers. Tanvi Shukla and Shweta Sriram take a bite.
You dream of the cake and we make it for you. That's Kumail Khorakiwala's mantra for Monjani's. The idea, he says, is to capture the new age customers with as much variety as possible, all the while maintaining the Uncle Monjani image that makes this cake shop so popular.
But now Uncle Monjani's also wants to sell to the older generations. So while the fruity and creamy cakes worked well with the children, it is innovation with the dark chocolates and truffles that will woo in the older generations.
And the best way to cater to the elderly clientele is to offer them exactly what they need. Preparations that keep their health in mind.
It's a need of the hour, because India is going to become the diabetic capital of the world actually. So many people are requesting us to make diabetic friendly, sugar-free biscuits, cakes. So we are going to launch a whole range of sugar-free biscuits, and after that sugar-free cakes.
With no major chain to contend with, century-old Monjani's has taken its expansion slow, taking its time in choosing its franchisees. For Khorakiwala, it is important that franchisees establish good relations with the customers.
The franchisee's experience with the brand is that in the local area where they are servicing the customers, he becomes Uncle Monjani's of that area. So he not only gives them the cakes, but he also gives them information. He also helps them out in many other ways, because he's become the uncle of the area.
Monjani's plans to open 50 stores this year, with 20 in Mumbai itself. And of course, in cities where Monjani's does not have a physical presence, the cake shop has gone virtual, accepting orders online. In Mumbai, with Tanvi Shukla, Shweta Sriram.
Well, that's all the time we have on this edition of India Business Hour. Your World at 10 is coming up next. But before we go, Movie Mania has gripped CNBC TV 18. So take a look at what's our Rashi. Thanks for watching.